eto dike na nko mere eme omekwa ọzọ ayiye aka m dị n'enu ayiye soro m kewere ha ayiye aka m dị n'enu ayiye soro m kene ha ayiye eto dike na nko mere eme omekwa ọzọ eto dike na nko mere eme mana oge eme ọzọ ayiye aka m dị n'enu ayiye soro m kene ha ayiye eto dike na nko mere eme omekwa ọzọ eto dike na nko mere ịma na oge m ọzọ ayiye aka m dị n'enu ayiye soro m kene ha ayiye. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Biafrans and lovers of freedom. How are you guys doing today? I hope you are doing okay. If you are joining us, please hit the like button, comment where you are watching from, and say a big thank you to the donors of BLA ESN fundraising of yesterday, to our gallant men BLA, ESN, to people that sit at home on these 3 days massive referendum. Yes, some people don't know that we are doing referendum. All these things we are doing is our referendum. Don't wait for another referendum. We are conducting our referendum because some of you don't know. What you don't know is bigger than you. Are you hearing me? Is the voice coming out? Somebody should confirm. How are you guys doing? Confirm as you share it. Fast, fast. Debe, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Your comment. Let your comment be 100 times. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Even 1 million thanks cannot be enough for what our people did yesterday. For the massive donation of our gallant men buying granite for our boys. For people who did not do it, you can still go to the website www.ipobinusa.org/donate. We need mbemmiri, we need ekwenti, we need granite, we need everything. Please, when you are watching this video, share it. Let them hear what we say. The website is still open. Go to www.ipobinusa.org/donate. Buy granite for our boys. It is collective effort. Thank you for sharing. It is collective effort. And that's NATO onye gwara abacha. Ọhụ ụgba n'oge tinye n'ime ya. Eto dike na nko mere eme omekwa ọzọ. Eto dike na nko mere eme mana oge eme ọzọ ayiye aka m dị n'enu ayiye soro m kene ha ayiye aka m dị n'enu ayiye. Eto dike na nko mere eme omekwa ọzọ. Eto dike na nko mere eme mana oge eme ọzọ ayiye aka m dị n'enu ayiye soro m kene ha ayiye. Ọ dịghị izi. Nwanne, ihe ọ na-eme ihe ha mere adịghị izi. Ọ dị izi, ọ bụrụ ihe ụmụaka. Jụọ ọrụ m dede gị ndị oke bongo bi panya bi obodo dị iche iche bi bongo bi bebush bi eliza. All of them. Ask them what they have contributed. Did you hear their names? No. The people that are even doing this are the people that are not extremely rich, but they decided to do something for their freedom, because freedom is not free. Freedom is not free. You must do something if you want freedom. Hello? Hello? Freedom is not free. Come to your quiet. We want to be live everywhere. We are live on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, everywhere. Join us. Share it anywhere you are seeing it. And share it anywhere you are seeing it. That's all I will tell you. If you don't appreciate them, imagine Imagine Biafra land without these people. Imagine Biafra land without our gallant BLA. Imagine Biafra land without ESN today. Imagine Biafra land without the sit at home. One arụ akame. Mana anyị na-apịa ha mgbada nwụrụ anwụ n'isi. Anyị na-eme ha America wonder. We are dealing with them woto promise. And we are not backing down. No. We can never, ever, ever back down. No. We will never back down. I told you because na ma ihe anyị nwelu. O nwere onye si na ọ bụ na ndị Igbo ma ihe Chukwu nyere anyị n'enu our prime minister. Unu ga-abụ unu welu picture. You suppose put in picture. Put Nnamdi Kanu picture. Every morning you just say a good morning, sir. Thank you. You suppose go there. Otunu si we welucha picture Jesus, Mr. J. Na Mary, one Mary the adulterer that left the husband to go and be impregnated by another person. The same way, Kikwesisi na akpoisi anana enyelo Nnamdi Kanu every day. Na akwụta itige in ESN fundraising. That is where you're supposed to be paying your tithe. Ebi kwesịrị ị na-ebulu ego gị na-etinye every day by day. Every day itetala ụla, ijesi our prime minister ịkwọrọ isi na namboro 100. That is how it's supposed to be. Na ọ bụ na unu nwere uche. Mana mba, fọdụ n'ime unu na-anụsọ ọgụ. Na-achọ Sky Jesus n'ụlọ ama ha mbụ. Nna unu chelo ha hụ ya. Today is appreciation for the BLA ESN gallant men, for the donors, for people that sit at home, that sat at home 3 days. 3 days sit at home was massive. I can't thank you enough. Ndị nọ n'ụlọ aka m dị n'elu. The people that are doing it back home. I can't thank you enough. Ọmụwa ga-agba agba hụọ ahụọ. I can't be everywhere. I can't be in the computer. I can't be in America and be at home. Ekere ọrụ eke. Have you asked yourself, why did God kept you alive till today? So that you will be among the people that will liberate your people. Stop being scared. Stop being scared. And I want to tell you one thing today. For people that are hearing my voice, for people that always comment rubbish under our comment section, any day you see anybody attacking any freedom fighter, screenshot it and send it to me. Are you hearing me? Screenshot the name and send it to me. I don't want you to write the name. Screenshot with whatever the person wrote under the comment section. In any platform, just make sure you in any platform, or you go there and say, Ada Biafra, come and see enemies of freedom. It's okay. You have finished your job. Na me and them this time. Because you can't be threatening me for fighting for my freedom and you think I will take it lightly with you. I am not fighting for your freedom. Oh. If you don't want freedom, you have used sufferness to wear clothes, to rub cream all over your body. So we are not fighting for your freedom. We are fighting for the freedom of our unborn generation. We are fighting for our children. We are not fighting for freedom. Because some of you are suffering and smiling. Suffering and smiling. I'm not coming here, information minister. So let me be. Academic Highness, Onyami, please, I'm live. Do you want to contribute? I'm live for radio. Do you want to contribute?
I want to contribute.
Go ahead.
Yeah. No suffering, smiling. This is the Onyami. Yes.
Pilot. Bam.
What I want to tell our people, because I want to show you, I want to win the league book, I know some Biafra. Because some natural came to do, and you may need
Bam.
and Imo State, and Biafra, now na hopeless Uzodimma or Uzodimba, as it is being astronomically called. Read relation for over a year. Proof of quotation. Ugochinyere, chapter 1. Ugochinyere is a PDP member. He said it for less than a year. And that was the reason why his house was being invaded by Uzodimba. Hopeless. Invaded the house of Ugochinyere, political. That's what we call him, Ugochinyere, political. Now, people of the INEC, the mumulistic people, are saying, bring it, let us count it. This is a rigged. That's why I pity Christian. Oh my God. Christianity is not in charge of government. Government is in charge of government, but you need to be government. Government that is supposed to be is Biafran government. You're supposed to align yourself with Biafran government. The zoo government is only evil. Evil means criminal, armed robber. Armed robber. That is armed robber. Armed robber. That is Nigerian government. And you see the armed robbery in the political sense. You see, and even the governor said he will even buy everybody, even if it is remaining 1 or 2%, he will rule. It's me.
Academic kindness, I think you are breaking. You are breaking. You are
Can
breaking.
you hear me now?
Yes, but it's breaking. I think you. Yes. We are hearing you. Go ahead now.
Yeah, good. So the Uzodimba has shown people, the people of Imo State, that he has rigged the election, and in the totality of the zoo, they thought and they understand that politics is dirty game. But people that politics is not dirty game. For you to understand politics, you should support your own government. Your own government is the Biafran government. Just like Andi Awusa or the Fulanese are supporting Boko Haram. They don't fight against Boko Haram. They don't even fight against bandit. I am saying this for the goodliness of Christians. Christians, you are not in charge of Nigeria. Who is in charge of Nigeria is Muslim. All your prayers, all the prayers that Christians believe that they pray, goes to the hands of Muslim, because the government by and the Muslim. Now, for us to remove ourselves from this mess, we need to support Biafra. And as I'm talking now, my boy will donate. My boy, my last born, we donate more than $50 to support ESN. We are not shaking. Wherever we are, you will see it. You will see it. You will see it immediately. That is how it is. If our people have sense, they should turn all their gaze. They should focus. They should focus Biafran struggle, led by Mazi Simon Ekpa, the truthful son and disciple of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is what I'm saying. That is the only way forward for Igbo people.
Thank you.
That is the only way
Academic
forward.
kindness, you are still breaking, please. Let me continue. Call back, please. Somebody is asking for WhatsApp of where? Can't even say it. I'll call back. Call later for those things. The number is on the screen. Call immediately after this program. I want you to write thank you as many as you can under the comment section. Thank you for the ESN donors. Thank you for our gallant BLA. Thank you for people sitting at home, because some of you are in Obodo Ibo enjoying Asia, America like me. We are all enjoying here, but people back home are the main people suffering. Are you hearing me? What you should write under the comment section is thank you. Thank you should be your comment right now. Before we finish, thank you for sharing. Thank you. I see many of you sharing it. Before now, thank you is the number one comment. Then when we finish the program, I will tell you what to write as your comment. God bless you as you join. God bless you as you like it to invite others. God bless you as you share it to all platforms. It's not easy. Ask your friends. The people that you grew up together, the people that gonna have a ball, your schoolmates, what have they contributed? Have they visited that website? www.ipobinusa.org/donate is our website. It's open. It is wide open, day in, day out. Any day you buy granite for our boys, just screenshot it and come to fundraising and announce it. It is open. It is not only until on Saturday, because some of you are working even on Saturday. You can donate right now. Hold your receipt, screenshot it, keep it. Immediately it is Saturday, bring your receipt. Come and announce it. Part and the back of these people doing the wonderful job. You cannot do it. Many of your mates are gone. Agbabuchana many of ndị gị na ha gụrụ school mana ị ka dị ndụ. Kedu ihe ị na-eme to protect ụmụ ị ga-amụ echi? What have you done to protect ụmụ ị ga-amụ, your unborn children? Ị na-eyigharị okpokpo bling bling necklace gold. Now ebugharị iPhone 13 na iPhone 15. Small time you will have iPhone 20. Use half of that money and buy granite for maka ndụ gị. Onye akwatụrụ ama akwa ebe phone iPhone 100 ya tọgbọ. If they push you down, if not our BLA, ESN, if you fall gidigbam, nobody know where your iPhone 100 is. Use your brain before ndị ga-erie gị. Ndị Fulani erighọ gị, ndị ụkọchukwu na ndị pastor ga-erie gị ma ọ ndị ma. Are you hearing me? Academic Highness, sorry, I can't hear you. That's why I decided to cut it off. You can call back. We are still on appreciation video. And I'm giving warning to all the people who are always attacking the freedom fighters on internet, on Facebook, on everywhere in this platform. Whether I see your comment in YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, or Instagram, attacking any freedom fighter, attacking any of them, nwetegi nzaga azụ, nzogi dagadagadaga, ndogi yaga, jukwese. Ask question. If I catch you, ask question. I know the fear face. So see my face. I know they for hiding. Even if you hide under any picture, even if you don't post anything, but you commented, I know how to dig it out. I will get you. Jokwano King Nwa Solomon. Go and ask King Nwa Solomon. The first person that showed his picture on the internet, na me. So I am using this medium now to warn anybody commenting rubbish, attacking our leader Mazen Nandekano, attacking Simon Ekpa, commenting rubbish, attacking the freedom fighters from A to Z. Anybody that even writing anything about freedom, if you don't have any positive thing to contribute there, you better back out. Just waka pass. It's allowed. I am giving this warning. I didn't see you before I start. I didn't see you before I start. Because when I will start, you will be the one to come here to be begging. Because I will deal with you. I am not, with our page, don't support violence. But don't come with violence, because violence begat violence. Blood for blood. Gun for gun. Isiada Akisi. Because you guys are the one threatening and pointing hands to our people back home. And for your information, nobody should ask any question like, where are you from? Again. Don't, anywhere I see it, whether somebody is on live doing program, you go there and be asking, where are you from? Mwategi. if I catch you, because Abahuzo were in body, we have managed you for so long. If you don't want to do what we are doing, relocate to the north. Go to the north or Lagos, anywhere you want to go. Relocate there. If you are alive, when we finish, you come back. We will give you levels of how you will live in our land. Thank you for the people sharing it, because I know many of you are share it to all platforms. I know these people listening to me cannot be that stupid. People listening to me are good ones. But the platform where you will share it, they will come from there to come and attack us. Just screenshot it, send it to this number, Ada Biafra. Send me the screenshot of what the person commented. Don't worry about it. So that don't go and be answering the person. Hey, why are you saying this? Why are you saying that? I saw a girl, an actress. She's young girl. I don't think she's married. She should be like 28 or so. In the Facebook, talking about Nnamdi Kanu, saying many good things. How she tried to go and meet people that she think they will help in releasing our leader, and how they shunned her. And under the comment section, I see people attacking her. And she came again, another video, to say that people are coming to her inbox and telling her to stop talking about Nnamdi Kanu. Who be you? If she stop talking about Nnamdi Kanu, now your useless Fulani father now you go talk about. If we stop talking about Nnamdi Kanu, now your useless papa will not get head. Now we go to talk. If you have neighbor, if you have friends, warn them, because my eyes are open now. What I will be doing is going to comment, to be reading the comments. I will get you from there. You can't pretend for so long. Do you know that people have been pretending that they are freedom fighters? But when I read the comment they wrote, I will know where they belong. And if I see you, I don't care who you are. This is the number. If you get anybody that is attacking any freedom fighter in any post, screenshot it and send it to me. I don't want you to copy the name so that I will be sure of what the fight I'm fighting. I don't fight a lost fight. And we're making so I am using this video as we are appreciating the BLA, the ESN, because some of these people, they are scared of coming out to donate something because of what the devilish ones outside will do. After we have office, Biafra government in exile, the people that are assigned to work, that wanted to work with their heart, people are attacking them. When they see their names, they will start looking for their brothers and sisters in the village. I know how to get you. Don't think that we're not watching. My Ada Biafra from Chicago, my job now, I gave myself that assignment. I will fit you out. Thank you for sharing. Keep sharing it. I will get you. If you think you are a killer, I will tell you that na you can't be intimidating our people and blocking what we are doing, and they are killing our people. Look at this innocent boy they killed today. Look at this innocent boy they killed today. They tied the boy just like that. A man, not even a boy. And they said they were two that they tied. Hold on, I will play it so that the video is horrific. I don't want to show the video to avoid bringing down our pages. Listen to this. When you listen now, you know, or a plus or a minus come to us. All the people that are writing Finland, writing petition, looking for Simon Ekpa, our prime minister, they cannot look for the killers of this. And let me warn Obiano, Abi Obiano ba here. Obiano, Solaga, I don't know their names because they don't know my name too. Soludo that promise you that Dubai, Anambra will be like Dubai. He is now killing our people at random. Any minute or Ozienda Gaboku, Ozieheje Pachayo Munayoku. I saw two guys, they set ablaze. Now they are the ones again killing these people. Watch. Listen to this. Can I bear this? Yeah. Listen to this. So.
Security ESN
I hope I'm coming out. Hold on 1 second. Are you people hearing me? I want to see what is going on. Please, somebody should confirm. Are you people hearing me? Yes, I know Instagram is on. Are you people hearing me? Somebody should confirm, please. Yes, Patrick. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. Listen to this. So, this is one of us. Listen now.
Security ESN on the security please.
AIA.
I am against security. See that check here exactly suspect no problem. But this young man now borrow me a village. This young man now borrow me a village. Now I want to at the end of the day, I don't have a money. Because I young because consider this boy is vibrant. He's a help to Akama and Dumo in general.
Did you hear it?
Because security. I am against anything good. Mana Anamayono. Shoot aside there, Abro walk anal. Onye Mude, see check here. A check here. See Megin. Obruno Bono Banacho. No problem. Obruban no boy, I have no lava. Yeah, behind one of you Beacon Cairo. Thank you very much.
Did you hear it? AIA, I don't know I don't know. But I want to call the guy because I asked him. Kedebe ihe amelo. Kono ya malundi neme na pam. Kono from him. Onye sending him this video. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Don't tell us your name. They are listening now. What happened to this video you sent to me?
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Please, I call from Biafra land. I call it from Biafra land.
Okay.
Yesterday, there's everybody sits at home in my village, which is our village is Istanansa, also Istanansa.
Okay. Anambra State.
There's Anambra, it's also.
Go ahead. So, Melo. Go ahead. I don't have time.
So, yesterday, this is my brother. After we sit at home, because we seated at home, we didn't so go and visit his brother to collect food from him because he went there to collect some food for him so that he will give the children. As he was As he was going home, he said he got that I escorted him. As he was escorting him home, around 7 o'clock in the evening, a bag of people shooting in Mr.
Block or ha block. A bag blocked the road.
The block road. I block the road. The block road, man.
And kill how many of them they killed?
They killed 2 of them.
Is it the same brothers or another person?
The same community, same now there's brothers, one community,
Ofumonna, okay, I have to go.
Yes.
Okay.
So that, and then the other one is try call their name.
Don't worry about their names. Don't worry. What we know is that they are from the same Omonna, the same kindred. A Bubagu block road.
Yes.
A Bubagu block road and buy them.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Let me. I don't know. I hope you people are hearing me. I hope the internet is good for this. I'm seeing something. That's why I'm worried. Did you guys hear the caller? Did you guys hear who called? Somebody should confirm that Bubago, after the sit at home, this one the buy went to collect something no more nana ofumbalezi, the same kindred. When they were coming back, Bubago blocked them on the road, blocked the road. From there, some people they buy 2 of them. They brought back this dead body. You see what Bubago is doing. You see what Soludo, Solaga, and all these governors are doing. You see why our Idwakanono must continue. You see why our Idwakanono must go round. They have killed 2 people the other day, saying that are tax collectors or revenue collectors, that are fake revenue collectors. You didn't see our brother with any ammunition. You didn't see them with any bomb. You didn't see them with any gun. You went to buy our people. And you want us to keep quiet. You want us to keep quiet. If you have governor, senator, local government chairman as your brother, you better warn them. Copy this message now, send to them. We are taking note. If your brother is in a Bubago or a Bube Monkey or Kedahia and you buy vigilante, all those people, warn them. We are coming after them. They cannot be wasting our people like this and I bank it. They cannot go free. Isi ada kaisi. Isi ada kaisi. They cannot go free. You see how they wasted this one? The other day, Bianca Ojukwu said they uncovered 328 corpses. Or 382 corpses, almost 400 approximately. Shallow graves, who know? The petition writers will not write. Ntobi buru nime Ezu River, nobody talk about it. 5 years ago, they have dried off. Vulture. Nobody is writing petition. No petition writer. No, the one in Canada. Where are they? Asari Dokuba will not say anything. All those people shouting that Chi for C for Chi. We are complaining when we want to do election in Anambra State. Tag her that Biafra is calling her name. She was vomiting rubbish against Simon Ekpa. C for Chi cannot use her page. And all these people looking for money that based in Obodo Ibo that cannot go out to go and work. They were all everywhere shouting for Simon Ekpa's head. But now you cannot see them when they are killing our people. You cannot see them using their pages to say anything about the innocent Biafrans they are killing on a daily basis. And Achuego. Skit makers. You will not see critics news talk about this. Onyago. Hungry lions, mad people everywhere. You will not see them. Ndị broadcast na Achuego. They will never ever use this as topic. You will not see them condemn. You will not see Ebuka Obi, your pastor, Nkurumiri smoker. You will not see him coming out to talk about this in his pulpit. You that is fighting for Ebuka Obi here and there, all of you Zion animals, keep sharing it to them, because I know you watching me cannot be that daft. Keep sharing it to them. When Oraniga came for our prime minister, and we didn't hear anything from you people. When Mbaka want to try us, we dealt with him. We didn't hear anybody. When Bishop Ona Nke Kulobia want to try us, Onya na Finland, na Finland. That small boy in Finland is giving the zoo sleepless night. He is the only one standing tall. These people, some of them are Zion members. There's no family, no Zion member. But when they buy your Zion member, you will not come out to say anything. You will not come out to say anything. Where are the Finland petition writers? Canada, Chede, Odagobi. You will not hear his voice. Fulani terrorists. He's Fulani. He's a jihadist. I know all of them. You will not see him do program concerning this. All the people did. The dead bodies in Abia State, 80 dead bodies uncovered, and the 20 beheaded. Did you see the one come out? Did you see the one working in Sun newspaper? Did you hear their voices? You will not hear their voice. They don't care about you. Hope Uzodimba that you did not vote 4 years ago. You want to go and try again this time around. They are still putting him again. Instead of you to join what we are doing to restore Biafra, Hope Uzodimba and the group, all the Fulanis, how many are they? Or Haga carry 70 billion, 80 to 100 million Biafrans. They are not even up to 10%. Why do you want to sacrifice your life for a Biafra? We are fighting for our unborn generation. We are fighting for our freedom of our children coming up. We are not fighting for you. We are not fighting for you because you, one Nigerianist, you are suffering and smiling. Somebody was telling me, one of my colleagues were telling me how he traveled to Nigeria. You can't see a beautiful girl again smiling. Nobody is smiling. When you are walking on the street, your anger is plus hot sun. Nobody is smiling again. No matter knows going to any of them manage here that you come from abroad, they will be 10 chobi in Abugi. Had the 10 as of this thing is her name on a why. Hanabia. But can't go to nobody. There's hunger. This kind of condition you are is what you are praying that tomorrow, 5 years, 10 years, your unborn children, the children that will be born 5 years, 10 years will come and join and be suffering at the same time. You see, that is the kind of things you want to continue. I'm a Nigerian. I'm a Nigerian. What have Nigeria given to you since you were born? Can you hear Nigeria? Did you enjoy steady light, free education, free healthcare, free good road, hospital, basic thing in life? And when you hear basic, now America with basic things in life. You know, your mind is black, dark as darkness. As dark as darkness. Since you know the morgue, you want 24 hours light, and you want your children to stay suffer the same thing. No be juju be that. Nobody is smiling on Natana calling me. Obi, do you know that I went to Nigeria for almost two weeks? Babe, no there, nobody they smile. Oh. If you see people on the street, you see how they are tightening their face, moving with anger all over their body. Who is this Kevin James? Please screenshot this message and send to me. Somebody should screenshot this message and send to me. I will start from him. Screenshot this message. I will show I will deal with him now. You think I'm joking? Your useless mother cannot do what I'm doing. Your Fulani father is the reason why you are suffering. You don't have job to come to under comment and be writing rubbish. Let me hide the comment and continue. If you are watching this, remember what I said. Please, thank you, 100 times. 100 times. If you can write it 1 million times under the comment section, write it. Write it. It's not easy to go to fundraising. All these men and women you are seeing today, donating some of them even without being told how long they go. They pay their own tithe every time. Go to www.ipobinusa.org/donate. I am giving warning, last warning to all the people attacking any freedom fighter anywhere. I will deal with you. I will come for you, no matter who you are. Just go and ask King Solomon, who discovered his face, and share it to the internet. I will do more. I will do more. So stop distracting us. Stop attacking and stop it. Stop threatening the freedom fighters. Stop it. You don't have job. You cannot do what they are doing. You are suffering and smiling. You don't have light. You are full of darkness. Even your heart. In what hospital? Nothing, no job. Jobless fools. You are smiling. Anyway, I'm not here for this. I will do it. I want to download the girl's video. I will play it here, and I will screenshot the comments I saw there when she was lamenting that people are attacking her for talking about Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. The colleagues that she trusted, the people that big people she thinks that will talk for her. She even started lamenting. So is it how I will get missing and nobody will talk for her? She lamented. I was touched. She said she want to talk about Nnamdi Kanu. She want to interview them, ask them questions. What do you think about Mazen Nnamdi Kanu condition? Nobody want to talk. Hey, don't come here. If it is Nnamdi Kanu or Simon Ekpa, please keep it that side. I don't want trouble. If there's any interview again, come to me. petition writers. They are all petition writers. Those people you see that say, don't come to me, do this one, this one. They wrote petition. They are the one that kidnap our leader. Sorry, sister. Sorry, my sister. They are the one that kidnap our leader, Mazen Nandekan, and even plan to kidnap our prime minister. Thank God, Finland, Obodoma. In fact, put thank you, Finland, under the comment section. Thank you for sharing. But make sure you put thank you, Finland. If Finland is not Finland, if Finland is not #1 country of the world, even America bow for Finland, because America need Finland more than Finland need America. I am here. I'm not America now. Here. Did they hear me? I am not too Robbie, one time person that die. If anything should happen to me today and Biafrans don't understand how I take that, now America tie me. Because they don't want us to get freedom. Because shift. Hold on. As if the pool you are packing is even better than your hand because of your color. See how all of them are sharing the news of Israel, Palestinian, Russia, Ukraine. But nobody is carrying your news because of your color. Not the person go take them. Not the person go talk them. As they said, they uncovered 382 corpses in Anambra State. Is that not supposed to be in CNN? Is that not supposed to be in world headlines? Is that not supposed to be in American news? They will not talk about you. Cry your cry, Biafrans. Cry your cry. They will not beat us and tell us how to cry. European man or American man will come and create Nigeria and tell you that this is Nigeria. Let me go downtown and create their bridge for them. Ada Biafra bridge, Ada Biafra lake. Would they accept it? No, because Nambo Onyoji. In what sense? You that is serving their Jesus. Isi wakaloge in Apuala. Jesus, white. Mary, white. And their Michael, white. And their Gabriel, white. This one, white. Only Satan, black. You see the game. You know the reason why. My watch is telling me I'm shouting. I'm sorry. Loud. I'm sorry. Biafrans, wake up. Wake up! They will be talking about him. If our leader Mazen Nandekanu is a white person, they will be talking about him. Because no, all the go one pastor, you know they pay tithe. And say a tithe making. I have where I'm paying my tithe. My tithe goes to Biafra. You do know about Biafra? I say, no, what is that? And say, yes, Biafrans are Christian, 99% Christian, being killed by Boko Haram, jihadists, the 9/11. If they say they don't understand it, tell them 9/11 that happened in America. Once you tell them 9/11, they will understand it by force. You don't need to power Boko Haram or power high SWAP. Tell them the same people that committed 9/11 in America, they are the ones killing Biafrans. And Biafrans are 99% Christians. And no pastor is talking about it. I say, no, we don't know about it. No, I am the one to tell you. Tell your stories, Biafrans. Tell your stories. No, not that Poala. Tell your stories so that the world will know about it. You should open up all these small flags that have been carrying up and down. People will not ask you, what is this? What is this color of flag? Where do you come from? Tell them your story. Tell the world. Do evangelism. Evangelism abo blue Bible ni na high produce. Bunye give ne kuko nyara na agaka street ni na ha. Ikucha igwa ha Jesus onye ocha. When the man say if our leader is, if Jesus, because the man is Black African American, I now asked him and the wife, if you are the Jesus, will Oyibo accept you? If there's heaven, will Oyibo accept you to go into it? When they don't allow you to go to the same restaurant, they will chase you away because of garden. Restaurant that you want to go and pay and buy food and eat, they will tell you no, it's only for whites. It's here in Chicago. It happened to me one time last 2 years. I had the restaurant. Can you give me an example? Be wise. Be wise. Your tithe should go to the appropriate headquarters, which is our ESN BLA. The Pope in send the Lord to Uziri every Sunday. Have you said anything about Biafrans? No. Come and pray for Israel. Come and pray for Ukraine and Russia. Onyala. Ebiru na akwụkwọ edelu na China. Ndị chi nke na-edelu na akwụkwọ anakwa agụ ya. Unu evulu na agagharị. Ị naghị ajụ onwe gị ajụjụ. Me that have been serving Jesus, ọnọdụ ụmụnne na nwụsịsị ya. Mgbe aha na m ekwu okwu otu a, ọ bụ ha bakụrụ kpọmkpọm, I will just go. Which church? Carry your pikin, kidney problem, heart number. If you go there, once they give you anointing oil, it will go. Once the pastor lay hand on, how many pastors laid hand on my daughter? Mind you, she was a Catholic mass servant in Abuja. Imechana nwambo umwazi the wayward. But when reality hits you, you will know why I'm saying this. Right? Thank you, Finland. Thank you, BLA. Thank you, people that sat at home. It is not easy. They want to be doing business. You want to be doing business the same way they will continue pushing down your businesses. Continue pushing down that sparkle house. All these houses you see in downtown that I used to post, you don't see it. Not the person village be that. Who among them there will want to go to Nigeria after living in such house? And some of them from first floor to 10th floor is parking, garage, where you will go and park your car. Or have you asked yourself, where all this 200 building, where do they park their cars? That is the kind of Biafra we want to build. That is what we are bringing back home. You need to support what we are doing. We are not begging you this time around. Woto neje all rounder. If you refuse to pay to the ESN, buy granite, you will buy blood for the Fulani. Oto. If you refuse to do this, you must do that. If you not take right, you go take left. Now you sabi, choose your choice. Choice your choose. Now so my mama de talk am. You say Obi, choose your choice and choice your choose. Chikina. So anyone you want, it's up to you. It's either you take jihadist terrorist government as your one Nigeria, or you take Biafra and we will unite together and build our country. I swear, I bet you that when we restore Biafra, 5 years, 10 years, we will be better than any countries of the world. Why? You are blessed already. God has blessed you with more than 10 mineral resources. More than 10 mineral resources. Which country in this world have more than 10 mineral resources? Mention it under the comment section. None of them. Even America here, mineral resources. All Africa, they will be extorting all of them. France will extort you. America will extort you. Canada will extort. All of them are depending on Africa. That's why they don't want to let Africa go. But Africa must be freed. Biafra restoration is African restoration. God bless you, Biafrans. You know, I don't like doing my video more than 30 minutes, but this has gone to almost 1 hour. God bless you. This is appreciation video and warning to people attacking the freedom fighters. Warning, serious warning. I will not say it again. I bought a book now. This book, this book is for names of those people attacking people on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, on anywhere. Tell your families, I don't want, don't say I didn't want you. That's why I say thank you for sharing. Share it more to all WhatsApp. I will get you. Your name will be there. And I will go give. That's madness. I will cure you. You don't know that my father was a psychiatric doctor in UNTH Enugu. Go and ask questions. So, I know how to cure madness. So, I love everybody. I see everybody. I love you guys. May God bless our leader, Mazen Nandekano. Bless our Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa. That is the experimarize. I am experimarize. I don't know about you. How many of you are experimarize? Please raise your hands up. If you are experimarize, that thing in Finland, that small boy in Finland, and they know that he's the only governor ruling Biafra land from Finland. Or who are they scared of? That thing in Finland. Okay, Kabiama, please. Emecha can chop picture and be eba. Ndebe nke na the can father and son like this. Okay, that is how I want to be appreciating both of them. Imagine Biafra land without Nnamdi Kanu now. Without Simon Ekpa, without ESN, BLA, by now, Aro Akemege, Akatigon, Badamranisi. Fima Aka, Gubeni Naka, Digo Tela. Also, get one. God bless our donors. God bless our gallant men. Make sure you donate your own. Buy granite for our boys. www.ipobinusa.org/donate. Yagazieno. Remember our 5 code. Hashtag free Nnamdi Kanu now. Hashtag Biafra referendum now. Hashtag Biafra is my home. Hashtag Biafra is our last hope. Finally, hashtag Fulani the terrorist. I love you guys. Yagazieno. Kachi.